buttercream cart. Bring it back.
It's mine now.
Hey, don't cry. Wow, candy falling from the sky. Come here, let me catch them. Let's go home. I will make a cake for you guys. Firstly, I tear the gummy candy strips. Mix them with water, honey, and milk. We now have a new mixture. Then mix it with gelatin. Now pump the mixture into the tube to make the jelly.
Let me try a shot. I'm leaving this fondant box here for you. Thank you. I'll take this box with me. Hey, Mia, look what I got.
Nice! This is for you. I will mold the fondants into round balls. I use chocolate buttercream as a filling for sponge cake. The cake is smoothed with white buttercream frosting. I wrapped strands of rainbow jelly around the cake. Let's continue decorating. It's so much fun! And we're done.